Hello, welcome to Marie Codes. So I bought this new, this is not new. I bought this online on Amazon. It was on sale. It's a Logitech multi-device K380 for Mac. So you can use this one keyboard to connect to 3 devices. Like, for example, this is the one that you're gonna touch. You can use it for desktop, mobile, iPad, for whatever device. But this is exclusively for Mac, and I'm gonna tell you why. And also, the reason why I bought this is because I have this Apple Magic Keyboard, and it's too flat. I have this for a while now, but it's too flat, and I really want something like a mechanical keyboard type. So okay, I'm just gonna go open this. Let's see. Okay. Wow, looks nice. Okay, it looks new because sometimes they put it on sale because it's an open item, but this one looks new. Comes with a manual and this instruction inside the box. So let's open this. Okay, cool. Oops, that's dirty. There you go. Okay, let's try the keys because I want like a raised key because the other one is too flat. So the quick brown fox jump over the moon. Well, I like the keys. And it's not noisy. Let's do it again. Marie Codes. Yeah. Well, I have my nails. So, this is a Mac keyboard, and it has the specific layout of function, control, option, command. So here it's the same. It has function, control, option, command. So it's a Mac specific, right? Also the placement here, the eject here, the volume, even the, I click this when you want to see the, I forgot the name, like all the screens. So it's very, very similar to the Apple, right? So I like how it feels. Mario Brothers. Oh wow. I'm loving this. Also, it is raised. It's not as flat. It's flat, but it's a little raised. This is too flat. This one has a little. Also, the keys are okay. So when I type here, big brown fox. So what I feel is my hand is, I mean, how it feels, it's too low. It's too low for me. Although I've been using this for a while. That's why I wanna, oh wow. It's like it feels good. It's good to the touch. Good, huh? Okay, so in my next video, I'm gonna connect this wirelessly. I'm gonna connect this to my laptop. I'm gonna read the instruction first. Okay, so that's my short overview of Logitech. What's the model? K380. I only got this for 20 bucks. So it's a good buy, right? Okay. Thanks for watching. Come back for the next one.